Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Squarespace step by step clearly. To install Squarespace, start by visiting the Squarespace website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. Select a template that fits your needs from the variety of options available. Once you find a template you like, click on the Edit button to proceed. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. After signing up, you'll be taken to the site editor. You can begin customizing your template by adding your site name. Next, add pages to your site by clicking on the Pages menu. Choose the type of page you want to add, like a blog, gallery, or contact. Upload your images and content by clicking on the designated areas. Use the Design menu to modify the look and feel of your website. Change fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. If you want to add custom code, navigate to the Settings menu. Enter your custom code into the appropriate sections provided. To set up a domain, go to the Domains section in the settings. You can purchase a new domain or connect an existing one. Once you've completed your design, preview your site to ensure everything looks correct. When you are satisfied with your site, click on Settings again to configure general site policies. Set up payment processing if you plan to sell products or services. Finally, hit the Publish button to make your website live. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.